The daily high?
I don't know about that.
Yeah, I'm good on that right now. 3 seconds to this 30 closure. That ain't nothing. I'm probably cool on that today, transparently speaking. Let me go ahead and keep setting up this YouTube stream in the meantime. Ain't nothing, man. News don't be doing shit lately. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Man, what?
Like, bruh, during the summertime, it was nasty, bruh. Like, you would be getting whipsawed. News don't do a damn thing no more.
As
That's
long as
fine.
keep
It gives
climbing
me
down and close, I'm good with that.
exactly. I'd rather that anyway. It came right up to this resistance right here. So if it closes above there, that should be good too. I'm gonna do a quote unquote breakdown in a second, but this breakdown be the same shit every day, y'all. I can't lie. Like waiting on closures simply. It rejected out of right off of it too. There go that tap into support play, Brandon. Tap support perfectly. You saw about 15 of drawdown, 16, seen 150, 160 off of it. It's so crazy. You probably could have used like a little 30, 40 pip stop under here. It's crazy. I don't got that data to be testing that with my live funds on the line. Yeah. Oh, we got approved, I think. Had to have. Hey, Brandon, I got approved. I seen that chart. I said, wait a minute now. Wait a minute now. Bet. So we in the game. Your payout is approved. There we go.
There you go.
There we go. There we go. Because I seen that shit refresh. Let me refresh my screen to make sure.
It's in the buttons green and red.
Man, I see. Look, right. That was shaded, but now it's highlighted. So we good now. Say less. Perfect. Oh, now it's time to play for real. That's a great way to start the stream. Use code 25 off for 25%
That news was so lame.
off. I ain't worried about that shit. I am not worried about that shit. But see what we got going, man. Time to go play. Let's go. Man, it's been a long time coming, chat. It's been a minute since I had to pay out. No cap. 361 approved. 1125. My last payout was 10-3, bro. Well, from them. I got that 28,000 on like 10-14 or something like that, 10-12. But this account been roller coaster. So now it's time to go ahead and just lock back in, get to daily payouts with they ass because it's smooth. So 9,040 is my balance after they just took out that 361. I don't know if Brandon's still here or not, but hopefully he got the same fortune here soon. We was texting early this morning, like, boy, they still ain't improved my shit. But anyway, daily time frame, we already know the deal. We closed bullish, broke at highs, ain't nothing in the way till up here. But at the same token, you got a resistance. I skipped the 4 hour, skipped the 1 hour because I already seen it. You got a resistance right here. That's where price came into already. So if we were to close above there, what's next? The next resistance right there. We were to get above there, just find the next resistance up there. What's a resistance? Green candle, red candle. All we're doing is going zone to zone. If we got a closure above this resistance that it rejected out of once before, we got a nice 150 pip can or 150 pip range to mirror. So that's not bad. Selling opportunities, same shit. The same way we're trying to find a resistance to close above, we're trying to find a support to close below. Boom, right there. What support is that? The same resistance that's over here. Trying to find a target. My first target would likely be mm, somewhere down here where all these like supports are right into here. And then
Mhm.
last targets down into here, likely down into here even, but all the same shit. So this is likely a fat ass no trade range for me, y'all. No lie. Like it's huge. And there's always trades to be taken inside of these ranges. Like if you can find it, like say a candle came down, closed back green, and then you took it up to like this resistance if that was created, yeah. But for now, nah. Let's just anticipate waiting on it to close either under here or under here. I'll keep an eye on this support as well, right there. Just off of the off chance, because I mean that's still a fat little range to come down to. Like it don't look big, but like yeah, that's 55, depending on the closure and how it looks. So we'll see. Because the 1 hour is still bullish or bearish. This could just be the top wick to come down. So best sells under here, okay sells under here. A plus B.
Plus,
Yeah, facts. Just blast through all that shit if you want to. Blast through it all. One trade, man. One trade. I'm just waiting on my Rise account to hit.
okay. Like it's hearing us.
There we go. There we go.
Let me go on the 15, so we're waiting on the 15-minute closure.
There we go. You're right. Man, come on down then. Do it. Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that 1 hour just flipped too. Ooh. Yep. Oh man, this want to come down. I think there's literally no way, in my opinion, to catch that sell. Like that was just so random. I would just fell the hell out.
Come on now. Let's make this real quick.
Bro, no cap. These are the best emails. The best email.
I think my favorite is the Rise email.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I seen this one that has been sent. Nigga, I need to see Rise. Did you ever get paid out through plane or no?
Nah, hell no.
Boy, that was nasty. Boy, it took a week.
What?
A week. I was like, you gotta be kidding me.
I
And it's
don't
so
remember
funny
if
because
I
that
had the
little
option to choose.
yeah. So there was a like a 2, 3 week period where they went away from Rise altogether. It was just plane. And man, I saw that shit was approved due to hit the account in 7 days. Like it would hit in five, but I would be like, bro, we gotta be kidding. So, but nah, playing Rise is definitely smooth. Rise works.
When you get to that Rise app, you just slide that thing to just transfer.
Man, the whole and I want the whole thing. The whole thing. I want
Uh,
it all. It's coming though. Yours is coming.
yeah.
But I feel like back in the day, it used to be a little more pressure than it is now. Now we it's like we know it's coming. We just got to be smart. Don't take no stupid ass, big ass loss. We used to do dumb shit near the payout, boy.
Man, you telling me?
You throwing a two for like they try to say, bro, I only need three, 310, 311. So let me just throw this two for 16. Crazy, crazy, man. Bro, perfect tap again. Bro, if I could trade support and resistance, I would, man. I really would. I would say, and me and Brandon was talking about it yesterday. What happened most of the times it gets to this? Just put that little buy limit right there. Right, you would be up in profits 31, 32, 33 and counting, targeting up into here with a stop of 23, 22,
Mm,
right under this wick. You would have came close to it this time, but bro, it's so many ways to trade. It just depends on how you see that shit. But like I said, I like where we've been lately, bro. I like where we've been lately. right after this, we had a little talk. We was like, all right, bro. All right now. But what we really doing, bro? What we doing?
Yeah,
Revenging. I was like, man, let me get back in my little bag.
I would have
Let
been
me get
paid
back.
if it wasn't for those days.
Bruh, you need them days though. You need those. Because if you didn't have those days, then you wouldn't know that some got to change. And
Yep,
it's so funny though, because honestly, since we started this quote unquote new method, there's only been like two trades that have seen like decent even drawdown for real.
yep.
Like the first one that we took that was not an A plus setup, but I saw like 8 minus at 70, and I had like a five running or or a four or three. And I was like, okay, whatever. And then there was one a couple days back where it went plus 27, minus like 40, and then plus 75. And that was smooth too. So I was like, shit. Until that bit hit my target, I just be chilling unless I see like a cool little 40 and it start playing. I ain't that dumb. But I want that bitch to tap into my zone. It felt so good yesterday seeing that full target tapped in 37 seconds.
Man, what?
Bruh,
At nine
that
thirty,
shit cleared
man.
that
Telling you.
TP. I didn't even have time to move my TP over here on the other screen. So I just closed out at like 40, 43 or 44. And this account was less than $160 away from being done. And now it's back up in profits. These all were these Forex funded family accounts. Anything FFF was close to the whole drawdown. I got them all back right for the most part. And then these per dia accounts, 15, 35, and 173 in profit. So hopefully next week at this rate, hopefully. It ain't nothing like catching that little 50, bruh. Oof.
Get that
Them
50 and dip.
$500 days are so different on them
Mm.
accounts.
No, for
It's
sure.
like you damn near want to get some more when you catch like two, 300. It's like, isn't this cool? But I want a little more,
Yep.
little more.
Okay, it's doing it. Can it hold for 3 minutes? You seen Calvin, the new trader, was on Trading Nut?
Huh?
You saw Calvin, the new trader? He was on the Trader Nut interview.
Oh, I didn't see that.
I was watching it yesterday. Yeah, it was almost like Calvin was interviewing him.
Really.
Mm.
And we got the email. The best email, like you said. Boy, it's so fast.
Come on,
Man,
Candle. Stop doing that.
can't beat it. Can't beat it with a stick, bro. Yours is coming though.
It should be
Yours is
coming the
coming.
next 2 minutes. Shit. This
Ugh.
candle keep going back up. Come on now.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get that closure. 1 minute. And then rise pay. Yep.
Mm, okay. There we go. We're gonna get a wick
Mm.
up.
Come on now. All right, let's see what we got going on. So MGC, make sure I'm on 1180. Cool. 1180. Cool. Let's see how this want to close. I want some more. I want some range into here. I'm not really worried about a 15-minute resistance, honestly. I think this shit gonna blast through all this, quite honestly. Let's see how this closes. The real stop really goes like up here. So I need a decent top wick and I need a bottom wick. Probably by the fall.
Come on, do a top wig.
Probably by the fall. Like I said, if I miss this, I'm okay to miss. I'm okay to miss this. Like it's 24 pips to there now. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Because this could also be a fake out if this candle closes back into here too to take it on up after this candle closed below, this candle closed back above. So this is retesting. I want you got support right there, 15 pips away. You got a support right there, 24 pips away, which is a 1 hour support right there. Yeah. If you love it, take it. I think I'm gonna wait to make sure it just gets under there to take advantage of this rather than trying to squeeze this. But it definitely could. The volume is there. I'm just weary some of 4 hour support right there, 1 hour support right there, 30 minute support right there. But let's see. Let's see if it plays out though, because it is retesting this support right there. You could go low size just to see if you can clip into that 300 you need. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. The position will look something like this, y'all. If you want to use this high right there, that's a 42 pip stop in itself. Trying to come down to like here. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm.
So I can just go and blast down.
Think so?
I hope so.
Oof. Yeah, I want that to happen. We want it to happen. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. Well, in the
Bro,
meantime, I guess
you
I'll
said
go
fuck the
ahead.
music today.
What'd you say?
I said you said fuck the music today.
Oh! I didn't know it was on. It wasn't playing. I've been. Damn, my bad, y'all. I've been playing it over here myself. Damn, sorry, chat. I've been sitting in silence with y'all. For 20 minutes. No. Oh, here we go. 288.8. It's been a minute since I typed in this password. fine at it. No lie. Come on now. Come on down. Last three.
Perfect.
There we go. There we go. Tapped in. All right. Rise pay. Success. We good. Money gonna hit. Now, time to make some more.
There you go.
All right. So that wound up playing out. We're gonna see if this is gonna see. I don't go for no little 20 pips no more, y'all. I can't lie. So like that would have been me quite literally going after 20 when I'm going for 50, 60, 70. But that's cool though. I mean, that's not a bad trade by any means. It was a 40 pip stop. Came right into this support right here for probably 22, 23 pips after spreads. Like, that's not bad. But I'd rather take advantage of all this down into here than trying to squeeze this down into here. So, not bad though, by any means. And the 1 hour rebroke its own low. So if the 1 hour candle can close under here, oh my goodness, we going downtown. We going downtown.
You got that 10 all ready to go.
Oh yeah, and I'm basically going 10s from here on out. I ain't gonna lie. It got to be a real stupid stop for me not to, but I'm just like, at this point, I've been seeing some people post about the psychology behind prop trading. It's like, bruh, you here to make money, bruh. But at the end of the day, especially with diversifying my risk, like not every trade is my last. When you got one account, you got to protect it like that. But when you got 8, 10, 12, 15 accounts, it's like, bruh, risk it for that biscuit. You'll be all right. You'll be all right. Let's see. Come on now. Bro, if they can close right down here somewhere, oh my gosh. That would be great. Mm-hmm.
8 minutes. 7 minutes.
I don't know if it's gonna do it. I think it will. I think if it just keeps re-breaking its own low, that'd be perfect. That'd be perfect. Update my little spreadsheet for here. Come on, man. Close below.
What the 5 minute finna do?
What happened?
I'm just saying, what the 5 minute about to do?
No telling. We need this 5 minutes to go ahead and push. This 5 minute can close bearish. That'd be really good. This 5 minute didn't have a bottom wick. This 5 minute went ahead and came on down into this support that's found in the 30 minute support, the 1 hour support, and the 4 hour support. So we can go ahead and close below on these time frames. On the 1 hour, that'd be nice, because I think that, I mean, I would have to wait on the closure, but I think that this will run even if it didn't close below. And it's like now you're looking at 915. The 915 may come down here as opposed to 9 closing like right here. But you need one 35 pip move, brother. And it seemed like a perfect range for it.
What? And more.
Bruh. It's so simple. Like, I mean, let's move all this bullshit out the way. Come on now, what are we talking about? All right, 5-minute candle just closed. Not bearish, but not bad. Let's see. Yes, sir. Just hit my bank account. 288.80. I wonder how much that is in payout so far this year. 288.80. Come on. Close a little bit lower. I want to come down a little bit.
Like literally right there.
Man. $80,754. So let's see what we can do. Okay, back on. Because the next payout cycle is going to be another little. When I get them per day accounts across the table, that'll be another little 9. Or 90% of 9. So they good money, Per dia does a 90% split as well. So last time I requested 3,226, they paid out 2,903. So not bad. Let's see, man. What can we do? Roger, I'm not liking it, man. I'm not liking it yet.
It's fine, bro.
I'm not liking it yet. I'm not liking it, bro. And those on the YouTube, give it a like and subscribe so we can close below and take this sell. Come on, man.
Like 1 or 2 big jumps.
Yeah. Keep re-breaking that low. But that 5-minute, man, it's a small time frame. But that 5-minute closing bullish is made a low to potentially continue up. Then I wouldn't take a buy right here with the support right here. I would have to have a candle close back above this. Let's see how many that gave. Granted, this was way too much of a struggle for 25, 30. Yeah, it gave about 37, 38 so far. What we doing?
That's so whack.
If it closes like this, that is not nice. Yeah, this 5-minute that did it. Came back up to entry. Came down again. This will be a horrible closure. I would need a candle to go ahead and start breaking this low and closing under here for 9:15.
Damn, 5 minutes?
Might as well go ahead and get you some food, bro.
Damn, like, bro.
Bro, it ain't even gonna close above either, which is the nasty part. It's about to close in this little bullshit. What is this? Below a support but above a resistance, just hanging out. 5 threes. Huh. Even if this comes down with no top wick, as long as it closes under here or above here, I'm good. This rejected, came up. This rejected, came up. So if it can close back above here, I'll take that bit back up into here. Definitely would. But the easier, cleaner play it would be just to sell under here. What happened?
Good morning. So I want that to close on the bottom.
I would prefer it.
So I want this closing back in that range.
Yeah, you can play the range game though. Like I said, I mean, you got look at every time it closed above here. Boom, boom. It rejected this. So if it closes back above that, it should come up into here. So we'll see. But like you said, the easier, most apparent move is but we need a closure though. And now, since it's on a 15-minute, when we probably gotta wait on a closure till under there.
Probably setting up for another 9:30 trade.
I know. And when you start getting to like the 15, this shit starts looking nasty. It's gonna break this high, it might go. It might go ahead and go now. I ain't gonna impulse it, but you had the 15 that closed bearish doji on the MGC, but I think on GC it actually closed bullish. Yeah, bullish doji. So that's interesting. One, two, three, 5-minute candles that tore all this up. We just knew we was about to get an easy trade below. Same case though. Tap right into that support. Tap right into this support, and off of this support, you'll be up 65 and counting. It's so crazy to me. 5-minute candle just closed above. This wick's down. Probably gonna break this high and continue up. But I believe we're right at a. Yeah, we're at this support, so we could reject. I'll just wait on a closure. I'm jumping the gun on the 5. But it definitely could continue. Making higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs on a 5-minute candle. Break this high, continue. And so we'll wait. You said, give me an account. Someone asked for an account in the chat, Roger. I wish it were that easy. Like and subscribe, brother. Like and subscribe. Let me see something. Let me see something. Let me see something. Ooh. Boy. All right, now. Come on out, 15 minutes. 8 minutes to close below. Oh man. Oh, it. Damn. Alrighty then. This is crazy. I said that though. I was like, I bet this thing starts running. This 5-minute candle had dropped one. No, I
Ah, damn, bro. Folks are not going to be calling me right now.
I know, right?
All right. God damn, that shit went down.
All that moving and no, I'm telling you, no closure below. But I had a feeling. I was like, when it breaks these lows, I'm gonna need to wait. Feeling. Boy, I don't know if Brandon's in the set. Pardon me, love this 5 minute. Depending on the wake up, bro, that's hella range down. Man. I'm gonna see. Oh man, I may go lower. It simply depends on the stop though. How it works out. Maybe just come straight down. Yeah, see, it's already taking up some of this range. That was a 15, 16 bit fall right there. I was sure thinking about it. Probably gotta wake up to retest into here. Man, please. Take that thing straight down on this survive with all this volume. But it can close under in the next 3 minutes, 4 minutes right here. Be great. Probably about to flip up.
Bro, it was crazy, bro. That first trade, I took it, but I put my thing to BE and it hit it. But if I would just left it at stop loss, definitely would have got it.
Did you lose anything, or did you make a little bit, or what?
Nah, I just hit break even.
I'm telling you, it was a fine trade. It's just that range was so little. Like it just didn't have nowhere to work. That's the only reason it got stopped up. We needed this range for that. But I understand why you did it though, because I've done that dumb shit before too, where I like was in profit a little bit and then let that turn to a loss, and that's what you would have been mad as you did.
Yeah.
Like you better off doing what you did, going stop loss and break even. And then the woulda, coulda, shoulda, coulda took 20, coulda took 15. And you can play that game all day. Damn, bro. No top wick. 5 minutes gonna fall for 36, 37. All right, let's see. How can this 15 close, bro? It's time. Boy, man, this man about to get paid, bro.
That shit hit that support perfectly.
Man, I'm telling you, tap right into it. Move it down a little bit. That's where the support is for real. I'm anticipating the next candle to wick up, retest this, in whatever way that looks. I would prefer it closer up to here, but there's still plenty of range. Real stop is about 100. Wick fill is about 70. Then the final targets are all the way down there. I don't hate this though.
Let me get my 10 micros ready.
Just FYI, 10 micros, the fees are $12.40. And on a 1 mini, they are $3. So for 1 mini, $3.24. 10 micros, $12.40. So if you just gonna take the full thing at 33 or 34, 35, just go ahead and use a mini, a 1 DC. If that's your plan. I will be trying to hold it for longer. So that's why I take or trade mini or micro. Sorry, micro. 5 seconds. Give me a top whip. Give me a top whip tagging in here, at least. Come on, man. All right, made a little nipple wick at the bottom. Come on. Give me a bit. Give me a wick. Stop. Come on now. Come on now. Gotta zoom in, y'all.
Come on, get the top. Damn.
Exactly. Now that it's made a low, that's good though. Come on, make a top, make a top. Just anywhere up until like here, which is the 15-minute resistance right here. Now I need to use whatever this top is really as my low. Or sorry, as my high and stop loss. Ugh, that's not enough. That's not, I mean, it could be. I just don't think that's enough for me, not A+. I can go lower risk, but damn it. I just don't like doing that shit, man. I want to trust my position if I trust my position. I don't want to have to go lower risk because I don't trust it all the way. Let's see. Let me make sure I'm on my shit. 1180. 1180. I think it's going to make a taller top plate, bro. I really do. Part of me want to just take a little tester at the break of this low. But I really think it can still break this low and still come up and make a top plate. Let's see. I might take a tester at the break of the low. Potentially. Like a 3. I prefer to take my full 10. But just to not miss the whole thing. Be part of something.
I'm gonna create it now. Come on.
It might. All right, yep. Yeah. I want a little, there we go. Okay. $41.80.2. Let me make sure that's a good entry. 41.80.3. Yep. 41.80.3. That's plenty right there. So let's see what we can do. Yep. So 15-minute candle closed below this range. It's making a top wick. The real stop can go all the way the hell up here if you wanted to, but this should be plenty. I mean, once it re-breaks the low, it has no reason to come back and break 40 pips up. So I'll manage accordingly, but we'll see. Got a whole wick to fill right here. Roger needs 35 pips, y'all. Maybe 30, 34 even. Let's see. I like this top wick a lot. Was this like a play
yesterday?
I don't even remember the one from kind of, but this was more of a breakout. I remember the one yesterday closed back into the range. This one is like clear as day, closure outside the range. So since I got a 40 pip stop, I'll probably look to take about 80% off at 40 pips ish. So limit by 4176.3. 4176.3 by 8 3.
Stop filled.
Order filled.
All right, let's see. And got me in and shot straight negative. All right, now where did I get in over here? Why did I get slipped up so bad again, man? Come on now. Stay getting slipped over here, y'all. That should be dumb annoying. 76. 4170s. I'm gonna have this follow through. What do you see? 14 right there, 13, 14. Come on now. Don't be doing that BS. Gotta see how I want to play it if it does break its own high. because it's that same case of, do I want to take the full stop off right there, or do I want to cut off 5 of my 10? 7, 41, 84.3. I'll cut off half my position if it breaks this high. There you have a 5-minute candle that just closed bullish, but it closed below this range, down about 23 pips. We'll see what happens. If it breaks its own high, I'm cutting off half of my position manually. Probably going to. If it re-breaks this low, that'd be really good right now. After retesting that again, yes, that'd be really good. But hopefully that's all I needed. Yep. Okay. Bone rush down. Respected that previous 5 high. Now I need to come back down and break this low. So let's see. Maybe I'll break out an old friend.
Come on, go down, bro.
It respected this high and broke its own low again, so needed to just continue on down. Definitely not taking this full big ass stop loss right here. So I will cut off half if it comes to that point, and then reassess at 9:30 if this candle were to close back, say, above. But if this 9:30 candle closes bearish below, I mean, it's still good to go down. It just depends on the size that you have on the trade, whether you can withstand whatever pullback that's coming. Like I said, we've seen about like 14, and it just didn't want to keep going, of course. So let's see, 15, 16. So if this candle can close bearish right here, and the next 5-minute candle can start breaking that low and coming down, either 9:30 is going to do it completely, or it's going to wick up first and then do it. All right, now, come on down. Like I said, I got a fucking 6 pip worst entry over here, bro. Like, that's just so annoying. 4180.3 over here. No, 5 pips, but still, that's still ass. These sell stops be getting slipped so bad. Make sure everything's in. All right, now, come on. The daily's pulling back. The 4-hour. All right, daily's pulling back. The 4-hour. The 1 hour. Are we running into anything? Like, not even, really. 1 hour.
The good thing about being able to hold, bro. I had to cut that one.
You say you did?
Yeah, I cut it.
Yeah, I mean, you got to. Now I'm looking at -11, -10.
Well, here's the thing. I have the re-entry on the break of the low again. Now that it's already done.
Yep, because it made that high and it didn't break it.
Exactly.
So if you're scared, though, get out, y'all. Like, we right around break even. You can wait on 9:30, but we right around BE. So I'm just holding it just because after we done made that high again, it might be time to come on down. But you never know. It's just what trading is all about. You gotta risk it for the biscuit some days. Let me get that luxury going. Yeah. All right, come on now. Come down.
Again?
Yep. 50. Oh, 190. Come on. Come down. Roger, stay alert.
Keep going. Come on.
Stay alert, brother. Stay alert. Don't get out early. I'm not going to stop to break even yet. Come on. Break that low. Push. Once it breaks this low, bro, we should fall. I've seen about 21 so far, chat. Seen about 21 so far. I'm still holding though. It's got a lot more room to go. Like, we got a whole wick to fill right here. I just got a 40 pip buy limit just because I had a 40 pip stop up here for my first target technically, but I'm still in, I'm still chilling. We got 7 seconds before this 5-minute candle closes. This candle is likely going to either wick up and fall straight down or just plummet straight down. Once this hits this, I definitely will go stops or break even. Roger, you should be straight here in the next few seconds. Should be good. Come on. All right, I seen 24. Come on, man, finish. I seen 27, 28. Damn, part of me want to go BE, but I think it's got just more room to go based off of this higher time frames. 15, 5. But if it flips up here, it's probably going to come back up. Damn it. Come on, man. What we doing? I seen like 33. Roger, it didn't hit what you needed?
Nah, it was at 230.
Damn.
Come on, bro.
Man, I'm still holding. I'm still in. We got a 30-minute candle closure coming up here soon. I really need this candle to come on down though, because I hope I ain't gonna say I fucked my bag up, because I still believe that it's gonna go down a lot more. But oof, bruh, no way. What are we doing? All right, this shit is dumb volatile right now, y'all.
Come on.
Yeah, finish it out. Finish it out. This is crazy. Thank God for the growth of being able to hold this shit. Because what the hell? All right, you back up 20, whoever's scared. Are we running into anything on the left? Like, what we doing? You got like this a little bit, but that ain't really worrying me like that. I think 930 is about to go ballistic, honestly. Luxury wanted to do it damn near for us, y'all. I have to run it again. Damn, bruh. And I was like, should I take a little bit of this profit off at 26, 27? But I was like, man, I just like it to keep going. Like I said, trying to put my nuts on the line and trust it. But this should be a little tough to do. Come on, man. Finish it out. Finish it out. When it re-breaks this low, oh man, we're going downtown. Come on. Roger, yell at it or something, bro.
That shit gonna make me take out.
Hey, bro, I can't believe that didn't hit your 30 or whatever. You got like 35 or something?
Yeah.
Wow, bro. Are you kidding me? It legit got like 5-10 pips away. Like 7 or 8, really. 2 minutes before this 30-minute candle closes, much like a couple days ago, I wouldn't be surprised if this next 30 candle just plummets with no top wick. And that's why I'm glad I'm already in it. All right, come on, man. Finish it out. I really don't want to sit in this top wick, bruh, for this 930. I don't. If it's going to make one. I just knew that this 5 would have that follow through, though.
Hey, this shit was right there, bro. Come on.
Bruh. You specifically were dead ass like maybe 3 pips away. Maybe. But prayerfully, hopefully, this 15 closes bearish. This 30-minute closes bearish. And hopefully we just finish it on out in this next 30-minute candle. I doubt it happens right now. It might, but I don't. The way it's playing around, I don't know. Let me see if news is in the way or anything. Come on. No news. 945 yellow folder news, so nothing crazy. Come on now. Finish.
We just need to break this low. Come on.
230, 240, 250. Come on, man. I ain't asking for too much. Bro, I want 43 little measly pips. But I think, like I said, this candle's gonna close in 20 seconds. I think that this next candle is actually about to fall like hell. And I'm probably gonna go ahead and take everything if I get a quick jolt down. So I got this at 43 pips. If this shit just like has a quick ass fall, I'm a secure. So boom.
Got it.
Bet.
Got it.
You got it.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this missed my
balance,
TP. Yeah, bro. Let me just take my money over here, bro. I can't play this game. Bro, come on now. I'm still in over here. Missed my TP by like a pip. 4175.9.
Yeah, I ain't hit it yet.
And they got it over here on my personal account, but not on my other accounts. Damn. Come on now. I can't let a win turn to a loss. Come on, bro. I'm going to hold it, though. I'm going to hold it just because I trust it still.
Took some off?
Bruh, over here I did. Not over here. Damn. That shit was just at 400 and it's back to
Order
B.
filled.
Bruh. That's so ass.
Wait, what
It tapped. It got 1 pip away. Right here.
From the whole thing?
Yeah. That's crazy. I'm gonna see how I manage it. And I'm looking at 182. I was looking at 400 though. Let's see what I can get back close to. But this hit, so I made 327 over here. Close manual 80%. Yeah, I'm with you, Joseph. Damn. Like I said, don't be stupid. Don't let this turn into a stupid trade.
No, bro, please.
I gotta be smart. I could either take this out off at break even, or I could keep letting it run, trying to see if I can get back close to what I was at. I don't want to revenge it. I really, really, really don't. But it got 1 pip away, bro. Fuck me. Damn it. I don't even know what the next step would be. Stop loss above the 30-minute high? Bro. I'm still holding.
I'm just you still in this journey, bro?
Yeah, bro. On this account, I didn't mean to be.
Oh, for sure.
I still think it's gonna go down, but man, if it keeps breaking these highs, I just gotta cut it. Bro, it missed my stop. It missed my take profit by 1 pip. If it gets nasty, I'm gonna just cut it. User error, bro. And then what's nasty is I don't want to cut it just because I think that I gotta cut this. Damn, bro.
Yeah, part of it.
It's part of it. If it breaks its own high again, I'll cut it. It's part of it. It's part of the game.
You're now looking for the buy because look, I mean, on a 30-minute, we're seeing that closure below. I would have figured if it re-breaks this low, because it's got 27 minutes, damn near 30 minutes left. This candle just opened.
Bruh, I'm mad that I'm still holding this. Damn, bro. Damn. Yeah, I feel like a dumbass. Just because it missed my TP by 1 pip. Damn, bro. I'm annoyed. I'm like, I got a little bit of paralysis. Like, I'm just stuck.
Order filled.
That's it. I got this close, y'all, to take profit. And I took a loss. That's on me. That's on me. That's crazy, though, that happened. Damn, yo. That's ass. Let me see what I did on that. Bruh. You can't even call it. I seen 400 over here, and it turned to a loss. But plus 327 on this account. Damn. That's just annoying, though. And what's crazy is, what'd you say, Brandon? You said something about, I wasn't even listening, my fault. I was just looking at this fucking drawdown I was in. Probably it's gone. What's crazy is it might come back down, but I can't even play that game. So, damn. Let's see, 2247. If I did trade again, I'd have to use different accounts. My account's probably cooked for today. 1 pip, bro. That bitch missed my TP by 1 singular pip. But thank God I'm trading different accounts and different leverage because it's all good. Back next trade. Well, next week probably. I'm not trading that account again today. That's over with. If I see something perfect. Bro, and that's that bullshit because like I said, I got slipped by 5 pips and I moved my stop back a little bit trying to catch it. 47.60.
Wow, so you're still holding this one?
Hell no. What? Hell no.
Look,
bro, no, I'm just saying that's annoying because it missed my stop by or missed my TP by a pip. So I had a TP over here 41.76.1 and I had a TP over here 41.75.9 trying to catch them extra 4 or 5 pips. And bruh, it got me.
Yeah, for sure.
It got me. So I can
wear that one. I missed that part. I was talking to my brother, man, explaining what was going on.
Yeah, no, it's all good. I hate them user errors of like you think that price really won't do it to you. You know, it's like it's just 1 pip. Boy, it'll do it to you. And I thought that this 30-minute would go ahead and plummet down. That's why I was like, shit, I'm probably just take this whole thing. Then I'm looking at 400 turn to 200. Then I'm looking at 200 turn to negative 100. I'm like, damn. Man.
Yeah.
You know,
so here's the thing. I mean, I did see that. I mean, there was support basically where we had the entry. I mean, obviously figuring during a time of volume, it's just going to blast past that. But yeah, when you look back, hindsight 2020, you see that, all right, well, yeah, there was a 30-minute, 15-minute support there, but it is what it is.
Like right here or right here?
So over, let's see, it looks like
right here.
24th. So yesterday, yeah.
Yeah, right here. And I did have that. Yep. Damn.
Yep.
Right. Damn. Good eye.
But again, like I said, I mean,
I had that too. I marked that up to start the stream. I had that. And what I moved it down to was this. Because I saw this 15-minute reject right there.
Yeah,
damn.
Right.
Yep. It's all good. It is what it is. Like I said, that's why we diversify risk. Just got to be able to take that one on the chin and say, like, not let that 400 turn to 700-800. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
It's you can get that minus 400 back. Now it's like the way I've been trading. It's gonna take a minute to get that little 800 back. That's 2 days of trading the way I've been trading.
Yeah. Well, I'm down on the live account right now. I'm down like 500, so that'll probably be like 2 days, maybe about.
Depending. Well, 2 trades.
Yeah, 2 trades. You know what I'm saying?
So I made 336 on the live account, so that'd be another 270, 260.
Yeah,
today that I can withdraw.
Withdrawing though, bro. You were right about withdrawing because I'm sitting here like, imagine if you would have seen that plus 200 now turn into, and now you
minus 3, and it's like, and you ain't get nothing.
Yeah, facts.
You know what I'm saying? So, damn, I'm annoyed by that, bro. Fuck. And the real stop, like I said, it really is up here. So, like, until this gets disrespected, the next move, Roger been quiet. Roger, you hit what you need to hit. He ain't saying nothing. Boy ain't rejoicing. I guess he just used to this normal schedule programming. Damn, that was something. Gotta call. Damn. It's all good, bro. Can't let one little bad trade be the end all be all. And especially, like it's just like, it is what it is, bro. Like, you can't do nothing about it. My other accounts are still sitting pretty. Hell, my per diem accounts are still up 500. Like, it ain't like I'm just in the holy level. Because I got to be more careful with cutting that shit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Platform is paused.
Bro, that made us work for it, didn't it?
Bro.
Fuck. I'm annoyed, bro.
I was going to be mad as fuck if that shit did not go.
41.70. Bruh, that shit did not. It didn't have to follow through for me over here, so I lost over here big. I made it over here, but over here is more important for the big accounts.
That shit crazy because he even hit the support.
It did. Brandon pointed it out. The support I marked off to start the stream was here. It tapped it perfectly. The 15-minute support is right here.
Oh, I had that support at 4174.7 area.
Yep, but the 30-minute support was right there. Yep. Probably done with them accounts.
I was just watching that balance. I was even watching a profit. I said, as soon as I see a 3,
bruh. So you off? You locked out and ready to call it, huh?
Yeah, it done paused it already.
There you go. Because you already made that withdrawal.
I said, I told you I'm gonna get it before the holidays.
There you go.
All the time, man. It's crazy.
Damn, bro. Just the fact that this one saw my entry over here was 4180.3. I saw 42 pips over here. What the fuck did I see over here? 4179.8, which is 5 less. I saw 37 over here, and it just didn't give me no. It's bro, them spreads are crazy. It tapped 4176.1 perfectly to the T. Just can't hold that bag. Like I said, it's all a learning lesson.
You can take another one?
If I do, it'll be on other accounts. But I'm probably done with those accounts for today. I'm not about to make, I'm not about to make these accounts just get nasty for no reason. I'm still up 500 on my per dia account.
Yeah, I wouldn't even do it unless it was a sale below again, bro.
Yeah. At this point, I mean. At this point, and what's annoying is, like I said, I woulda, coulda, shoulda. Like I could have held it from up here, but bro, you have been seeing dumb drawdown. 4180.3. The stop loss is technically all the way up here for 120. Let's just call it. And you would have seen already 90 of drawdown. Like, bro, on a 13, I'd have been looking at, because that's why I was trading 13. So 13 times 90. I'm looking at 1170 of drawdown right now. Like, it ain't even no point.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I really think this candle's about to fall, bro.
Yeah, if you look at the 5-minute price action, all it's doing is making highs. It just respected this. So, if it closes back under here, it should come on down. Did you take anything else, Brandon, on your accounts, or you just took a loss?
Yeah, I did like an idiot, to be honest with you. So, and the reason why I said like an idiot is because I should have called it after the first one. So think 9:30, right? Like right before that 9:30 candle opened, I had already cut it at -20, and then I figured, I was like, well, shit, 9:30 is about to hit, so I'll just re-enter. You know what I'm saying? Anticipating that the candle's gonna drop. So yeah. Cool. It triggers me in before right before 9:30, a couple seconds before 9:30, and then the new candle opens up to produce its top wick. You know what I'm saying? Cut it at -20 again, so I took the 2 losses there. I thought about re-entering again, but the price just started shooting up again. So I was like, nah, let me chill out, bro. Chill out.
Yep. Exactly. Damn, bruh. I could have took my little one trade for 40. 43 is what or 42 is what I saw. Just like I wanted. And then, ooh, bruh. But I'm not tripping too hard about it, for real. So, like I said, if I take another trade, what would I take? 2247. My limit come over here. 2247. Make sure I got that right. And get gun shy. Now, If this closes respecting, bro, this is coming down like you said. Look at this support. But I don't know. It's right in that little, it's in that iffy area. I guess the 5-minute candle keeps rejecting it. So it could do anything. So the 15-minute just closed back above technically, but below here. So, damn, bruh. I'm annoyed by that. That shit, and you so right. It hit right off that support on the 30. Right off of it, too. And I let plus 40 turn into a loss, bro. I did it. I sure did it.
It happens.
It happens. And I hate to say it, but the way we've been trading, I could slick get that back in one trade for, a 3 for 30 if I wanted to, but it's just like, keep doing what I'm doing. Just keep doing what I'm doing. I might go eat and come back and see where price is for the 10 a.m. closure. Because if we close like this, or we close back above here, I like that shit to go up. But if we, like Roger said, it's damn near like, bro, you damn near waiting on a closure below this now, which would really annoy me just because my entry was right there.
Yeah, that's the only one I like, bro.
That's the only thing.
Closure below that.
The only thing.
Look how clean it is.
Because I mean, like I said, y'all know I be zoomed in like a bitch. What else you taking? You got an obvious support right there that I fucking fucked up on. Damn, bro, that's that greed, bro. That's that greed, or not even greed, just like revenging. Like, oh, okay, price got me in 5 pips later over here. I need to catch 3, 4, 5 more pips just to make the same. Like, bro, no, do what you do. And it got me. It sure got me. So it's at 4176.1, which is my exit over here, and shot the hell up in one candle.
Oh yeah. No, I'm looking at the 15-minute, man. What's crazy is it never even broke the 15-minute low. So if I had traded the way that we were trading before, by setting the entry on the break of that, you would never even got triggered. It would have just bounced from support and would have left you alone. But that's on me. You know what I'm saying? Not looking at it. And I think like we all did, like we always looking at 9:30, anticipating volume. It would just
thinking it's gonna fall for 30, 40.
Facts.
You got this candle that you got these candles that fell with all this to the left. I mean, unfortunately it's an honest mistake to think that off of the data we're supposed to wake up and blow out.
Yeah.
Truthfully, like I was thinking that this was gonna easily tap that and fill the rest of this out. That's why I was like, shit, I'm expecting no top wick, boom, fall out.
Mm-hmm.
So it's all good, man. It's all good. So this 4-hour candle, I don't know. This 4-hour candle keeps pulling back like this and respects this support, might go up. Look how we've been just praying side by side in these 4-hour candles. Man, I thought that this shit was just about to fall out, bro, and cover all this. Which is a fair thought, man. I'm not even mad about the loss. I'm mad about how much I lost instead of just cutting it. Like, it's that revenge shit, bro. Like, thinking I was up this much. Now I gotta at least get back to close to it instead of just even letting 400 turn to plus 200. It's like, it's better than 0 or negative 8. Like you said, it happens. This 15-minute keep flipping back and forth. Roger, you should have had approval, hopefully today. Yeah, man, if this could fill this wick on out and close above here at... What'd you say?
I need that Rise email like you this morning.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my Rise account email. What's so ass is, it's funny because these accounts be costing $300-$400. Well, I just made that. So it's like, if you even lose account, like you get it so fast with these live accounts. I'm just
Get back
annoyed
on
that
the
I
live
lost on
accounts
that,
for
bruh.
new
And
accounts.
I was just rolling on these, bro. Rolling on these. Ain't took a loss in a month, for like 3 weeks. Stay the course. Stay the course. Don't deviate. That's that devil that's trying to get you. That devil be trying to get you if you let it, man. Let me go eat, and I'll be back before 10. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Damn, this is interesting. This is interesting. Damn it. That's so annoying that my entry was
I'm not
right
even
here.
gonna lie, dog. I caught that on the 5 minute.
Yeah, closure below, technically. How much you make?
Just a little 500, bro. But it brought my loss back down under my consistency, so that's cool.
I'm thinking about trusting the volume to break below this low after a weak bullish candle on my other accounts. Hell, even this account. Because I think that we're still, you said it. We should still be going downtown today. I just got, unfortunately, held up right here. But I think that after doing all this, and that's the annoying part, bro. Like I said, the real stops, I be telling you, the real stops be way the hell up here. And then I got out.
This should be a nice trade.
Man, I got out right. Ooh, what happened? Damn, that ain't closed below, but definitely didn't close above. Damn, bro. And this is what I was looking for. Man, that 30-minute got no bottom wick. Let me take my little trade up. Let's see. MGC. Anticipating that. Ooh, this might be breaking daily low. But if not, I'm going to have my sell stop on the break of the high. Trying to catch a little something. Damn, this has a lot of volume right now. Where's the day low? 4163.7. Actually,
Yeah, go ahead and get that daily low, man.
I know. I should be on GC right now. So just because I'm taking the full position.
It's just that no top wick, man.
That's what I'm saying. And it closed right here. So I'm anticipating. Don't do me dirty now. Come on now. If it just rushes down, let's see, what was that? Come on now, re-break your high. After closing with no bottom wick on the 30, coming straight down with no top wick, I'm anticipating that this should
stop filled.
Come on up. Come on, bruh. Don't do me bad. Man. 220, 200, 200. I'll get to like minus 3-ish. I want to trust that it's gonna go down, or go up, but come on now, flip again. If it re-breaks its high again, it should be good, but it's just flirting around it, man. I don't want to revenge nothing. I'm gonna take that full position at like 45. It should be good. 41. Seemed like 7. Or like, I don't know, like 13. Come on now, keep pushing up. 13 again, 20, 22. I ain't gonna hold this back too long, especially.
Order filled.
Boom.
Order filled.
Oh, I took the trade on the wrong accounts. but I did get my loss smaller, so that's good. But I did take the trade on the wrong accounts. But plus 554 on these though. On this one. Damn, I'm annoyed that I took on the wrong account. Good exit though, good exit. Damn, that's the thing about trading these different accounts, bro. You gotta make sure you're on the right account every time. So now I'm only down 733, which ain't scary.
That's why I was gonna hit that daily low today.
2247. damn, I would have much rather made that 325 on these accounts though. So like an account could feel a W today, but it's all good. So I closed out at a good time because I'd have hit break even there. I think I got like 20, so I closed out at 23, but I thought I closed out at, nigga, that I did not see that, bro. They're lying. There is no way that was just 39 pips. Where's my entry? 4176.4. Bro, I closed out. How did it get me out at 23 then? I'm still hanging out. My only other trade option, likely at this point, looks like daily low, right? Or a closure below. Ooh, 5-minute candle just closed. Man, this is the real scalping bag, bro. Off of that 5-minute, see this candle re-break its own high, go fill this wick right here. Man, that's 23 right there. But nah, I don't get too greedy. I'm already up 554 on my personal, which ain't a bad day by any means. How's it feel, Roger? Top step. Only lost 733 on these now. That's not good. Been a lost shit. This 5-minute candle is now re-breaking its own high again after making a better bottom wick into this area. Brandon, you still on? Roger, you still on?
Yeah, dog, I'm still here.
What you looking at now?
I'm not gonna lie, I do like the 5-minute move, the real scalping play, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just on a one though. You know what I'm saying? Real low risk. Real low risk. But overall, I mean, the sells are gonna be the better move. And I really was looking, since we are closer to breaking the daily low than we are the daily high, I would like that move.
I hate how I asked to fall another 100 to get there, but yes.
Yeah,
same.
on me. But yeah, no, closure below on like the 15 would look great.
Yeah. Damn, and this is this is so annoying, Brandon. It's like, even with me saying it aloud, I was like, bro, honestly, the real stop is all the way up here, and it did all this shit, but it did not disrespect this high, bro. It did not.
That's true.
It did not.
That is true.
It's just, I mean, much like you cut at 20, right? I can say that I can sit in the minus 120, but bro, I would feel like such a dickhead sitting in minus 120 pips.
I feel you on that. Trust me.
Like,
nah, bro.
That's the real stop, though.
Yeah, I really like both, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, in the short term, 5-minute play, this little buyback up just to go fill that wick and maybe potentially those highs on the 5. That would be cool. But overall, yeah, that sell on the 15-minute, bro, sweet. Definitely
this 15-minute wick fill or 5-minute wick fill right here, probably coming up into like here and here.
Yep.
Yeah, I can see it. I'm a chill just because, like I said, I'm up 550. I probably should call on this account just because like 554 ain't a bad day. But this, yes, okay. You in?
Yep.
Okay. So we break this high, you should be good to go up a little more. You probably should go stops to break even soon, just because it went ahead and filled it. If it breaks back down, it might be right. It might be coming down.
Yeah,
but
I would agree.
Do what you feel is best.
Yeah, moving stops to break even now.
Yeah, I mean, if it hits it, it hits it. If it keeps going, catch an extra 20 or 10, 15. Cut into that loss a little bit.
15 up. Well, I was up 15.
Right.
Order filled.
Yeah, it stopped me out of B on the live account. On the regular account here for TRADECOPIA, it looks like it's still going up like 10.
You say you're at B on the day, or it just hit B?
Oh, it just
Oh,
hit
it's at
B
B.
live
At
account. It hit B on the live account. I'm still in on the TRADECOPIA account, which is really weird. I'm not sure
There you
how
go.
that happened, but
There you go.
yep, good jolts,
Be
good
careful
jolts.
around here. This little 5-minute area right here.
I just took it. I took it, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Call it as 26.
Yep. That's good.
Yeah. So we cutting into a loss, bro. I was just down.
That's
like,
all it's about, honestly. Like I said, I am down 733, but you know how that goes. But that's
facts, bro. It's a couple trades. I
that's
was literally
nothing.
just down 1,400. I cut my loss in half just now. So
yeah. So I mean, it is what it is.
And on the other account, on the live account, I was just down 500. I'm down like almost 250 right now. So it's cool. I'm not worried about it.
Yeah. So.
But yeah, 15-minute setup though. You know what I'm saying? Closure below.
Yeah. That's the only thing I'm taking. A buy above here isn't bad. A buy above here would be better. But right in here, I'm nothing.
Exactly.
In here, I'm nothing. Nothing else.
Yeah.
So we'll see, because this is a newly formed 15-minute resistance. So if we get a closure above this 15-minute resistance, it should continue on up. Damn, bruh. This was such a good lesson learned, too. I'm so glad that happened to me. Just because, like, it goes to show, like, even if you get slipped by a pip or two, like, just stick to the plan. Ultimately, stick to the plan. Like, because I got slipped by 5 pips, so in turn, I moved my shit back 5 pips on the TP, and it would have hit my original TP, which was 4180.3. I wanted to get to 4180 or 4176.3 for 40 pips, since my original stop was 40 pips. But instead, I'm trying to be high and mighty, moving that bitch back 4 or 5 pips just to see. And in reality, bro, what's that 4 or 5 pips? And that's why I be feeling like a dumbass sometimes. I say, you try to get an extra $42 and your ass lost a band because of it. But it's all good, bro. It's all good. Yeah, I don't know if I'm liking this price action the way we printed side by side. Why you looking like that, Brandon? You can't even call these 5 minutes.
I was reading Dog's message in the chat. He's talking about top step crash across the board. You might be able to hit support for that, bro. That's what happened to us, like with top one.
Yeah. If you were in a trade and you took a loss due to it, then you can definitely hit them up and see if they can fuck with you. Appreciate y'all on YouTube and with the likes. Appreciate that for sure. Appreciate it. Good day. I mean, made 42 pips and made 23 pips. I mean, that's a 65 pip day. Unfortunately, my dumb ass took a loss. It's all good though. It's almost like I said. I mean, I'm not really mad about a minus 700 day. Like, that's not really moving. Because Brandon, as you know, we've seen bad days.
Yeah, we definitely have, bro. You talking about down?
We've seen negative 2K. We know what that actually feels like.
Yeah,
so
man,
minus 700, it's like
so bad. Yeah.
A day, literally a day. A day and some change. Damn, bruh. Only if we had the damn faith to just hold these motherfuckers, bruh. Just hold it. Just hold it. Steady. That's 60 right there, bruh. What lot size you been trading, Brandon? 3s or 4s?
On the TRADECOPIA account, 4s, and then limited to the 1s on the live account. So. Hey, but real talk, bro. We daily low play. You know what I'm saying? Last time, I think I had a 1 on the prop firm account, G, and we hit for 91 on the 1. So I'm like, nigga, imagine.
It can happen, bro. That's why I'm not really tripping about that minus 700. I'm like, it's so crazy, like our mind shift. It's like we damn near thankful for minus 700 these days. Wow, that's a fine day. That's a good day. Like I said, bro, like to those watching in the YouTube, to those on the chat, like, bro, me and Brandon know what them days of losing 2 bands in a day look like. 3 bands. Like, Brandon, you on a 150K account, right?
Yep.
Like losing 700 in a day is not the end
At
all.
all, bro. You're really not tripping off of it anymore.
That's not, bro. That's on a 4. That is
Yeah.
16, 17 pips.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been trading ones, and like I'm starting to move to like 13, 14, just like increasingly get size back up. But, bruh, I'm not tripping on that. What you think about this 15-minute closure though? You got 5-minute resistances, but I mean, it should lay out.
I dare you to close above structure, bro. I triple dog dare this 15-minute to close above structure, bro.
You think it can go up into this Wickfield?
Man, well, hold on, because you gotta leave a top wick first, brother. Wait, don't look like it wants to though. No top wick on the 15.
That's no wick.
Yeah, we know how that goes.
Bro, my entry was all the way down here, bro. 4176.4.
Yeah.
Ooh, boy. Well, I think that's the stream, brother.
Just might be. Be.
We can text though. Let me know. Yeah. Let's see. 554. I can't really be mad at that because I get 80% of that. Yeah. 554.36 or 554.76 times 0.8. I can withdraw 443.80. That's not bad.
That's good, bro. On the day, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, bro.
What is it?
It's like you take the wins with the L's. Like, unfortunately, yes, I lost on my other accounts, my funded accounts, but in the grand scheme, bro, I just made what it costs to get another funded account. If I would have lost that, you know what I'm saying? So it's just like
true. Another thing is, I mean, shoot, what is 100K? An extra 100K? That's $400 a day, I believe. Actually, it might be a little less, possibly.
Yeah, there's 252 trading days in a year, so 100K divided by 252 is $396.82.
Yeah, exactly. So hey, man, at that rate, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, it's great. The prop firm side is great for the big chunks of money, like the 10K payouts, the 5K payouts. But like in the grand scheme of nickel and diamond, good consistent days, because like I said, you withdrew that 200 yesterday, and it's little money. Like, it ain't a lot of money, but shit, you would have lost today.
Exactly.
You would have lost that today. So it's like you up, right? You up and you ready for next week. And I mean, if you find the time to trade Friday, like, that's cool. But I'm probably just Joseph. I might take Friday off. Maybe. I know y'all. It might be a holiday for y'all. I might take off Thursday, Friday just to enjoy the fam. We'll see though. I'll let you know. But Joseph, you the man. I appreciate you and just your encouraging words to me, and you've always been a fan and just supporting the movement. I definitely appreciate you. Definitely appreciate you. And I hope you've been able to make some money since joining. Definitely. Brandon, when we're able to look on a macro, I think I might be done for today. It's about to be 10:30 for the next closure. Maybe a closure above here again. But anyway, when we start to look at the grand scheme, like the macro, I wonder if we're going to be able to better hold, or if our nerves are always going to get the best of us. And I say that because, bro, I'm over here on the 5 minute saying, like, look at this right here. Like, you might want to take your money. But on the grand scheme, this is the 1 hour, bro. Like, look at the 1 hour just filling this shit back up, rejecting.
Right. Out
of this with no bottom wick. There's so much money to be made. You probably could even target up into there, bro. We'll get it. We'll figure it out.
Oh, definitely.
We'll figure it out. I don't like, and it's funny because, and this is just me picking your brain just before I let you go. What are your thoughts behind prop trading and real trading? Like, do you see yourself one day shifting over to like really trying to milk these moves out and see if you can really catch these 100, 200 pip moves? Or do you think as long as props are around, you're going to play their game?
No, man. I think even from when I first started trading back in 2020, the goal has always been to have your own personal account.
Right.
I don't really like dealing with props. I think to be able to
I
leverage
don't
them to
either.
get the capital is great. But overall, man, I think the goal that everybody wants really is to be able to go ahead and have their own personal account. You know what I mean? And
I
so as
mean,
far as being able to hold and everything like that, nah, that would definitely be that would be
like
the
I saw
goal for
Raja
sure.
post today. Raja made a post today, bro. Just a simple impulse entry. This nigga threw a 120 lots and was up 140 pips in the trade.
My goodness,
100,
bro.
no, sorry, 130. Looking at 150 grand. And I'm just like, bro, the prop game and the personal game is just so different.
Facts.
Like
But
you
I'm sitting there and
found
I'm
it
like,
to
bro,
even me, like I found it to where I understand that there's a fine line between like whether I'm gonna go heavy on all these accounts and like if I blow it, I blow it, or if I'm gonna kind of like nickel and dime and go a little bit slower. And that's where I'm kind of in the middle of. But at that same token, the profits you see are a little bit smaller at the end of every trade. You know, that's the only caveat to that. So like you throw that 4 for 30. That's it.
set, bro. Set.
That's it.
My goodness.
But if you see negative 20, 25, it's like damn, I
But
gotta
I'm
cut
only
this
cut.
shit.
But here's the thing: I'm only cutting that though because I'm on the props, bro. You don't blow the account like that. You know what I'm
Exactly.
saying? Like
And you just
on a
gotta
personal, you
protect
have
that
more room
downside.
to kind of, you know what I mean?
Say we had a 30K account, 40K account. Bro, if you throw ones and twos, bro, you can let that bitch rock out for 50 easily. Either way.
Yeah.
Like a
that's what I'm
2
saying.
for 50. Say you lost 2 for 50 on a 30K account. Oh well, then I lost 29. Like I lost 1K of my 30. And then you know our win rate's 85%.
Exactly.
So it's just like,
you know what I'm saying?
I'm holding for 30, 40, 50 in the next trade, in the next trade, in the next trade. Okay, I lost 28. I lost 30. Okay, I won 50, 40, 30. So it's a fine line.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to see if I need to get back since I'm in that mindset now dividing these accounts up. Am I better off going back with that higher risk again? Since I divided the accounts up. Because the only thing that was hurting me back when I was trading all my accounts was the fact that I was trading all my accounts. So it was full on every single trade, big loss, big win. That's it.
Right.
But if I got, say, 20 accounts and I'm trading them in 3 or 4 increments and I trust the trade, why not go and try to max out? Does that make sense?
It does. Man, I think, like I said, once we can really start to get rocking on the personal, bro, being able to experiment with all these things is going to be, it's going to be a challenge, but I think the return that we're talking about, it would be way crazier, you know? So I don't know. I'm looking forward to it, man.
I'm looking at this 30-minute closure above here, bro. And I'm like, do I want to do this?
You looking at the same thing too, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm listening. I'm also watching. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I guess at this point, I've been here this long. I might as well hold it out and like just see how this candle closes. Because it's about to be a 10:30 closure, and if it closes back above this, like I've been waiting on, and breaks this 1 hour high, it should have no problem coming into it. But anyway, yeah, bro. Like we gotta just keep playing their games. I mean, I be telling Roger, I'm like, if you have the means to play the prop firm game, that's where you really can eat. It's the people that are like stressing the valuation cost.
Yeah, exactly.
If you stress that 400, then you can't make 40,000.
Exactly, bro. That's not happening.
What I'm saying? Like, the unfortunate reality is, like, I can blow 3 of these accounts that cost $400 and make one payout for 3,000. I just 3x my money.
Yeah. Man, it was funny. I was explaining that to my mom earlier today before we started trading, man. Because she was looking and asking a bunch of questions. I was like, yeah, basically, man, if you look at all these accounts over here, because she was asking what the buy-in price was. It was like, all right, it depends on the account size. I've been buying like 100K accounts for 400 or whatever.
$400.
So I'm like,
$400.
so she's seen all the accounts that was like breached or whatever, and I'm like, yeah, but when you think about how much I've already gotten paid out, you didn't like 3 extra money off top. You know what I mean? Or damn,
my trading expenses this year, just like subscriptions, accounts, everything in between, I paid so far $25,441. And after today's payout, I will have surpassed 81,000. So it's like 81 minus 25. They gotta do the math.
Come on, bro. You still up big. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, you're not seeing the picture, bro.
Correct. Yeah, like I'm not stressing that I paid 25 if I make 81. And this 81 after these next payout cycles is gonna be 90. So it's like
that's what I'm saying.
Go through your strong month. Like, no lie, a lot of that was when I was in a rut a little bit and I just started, I ain't gonna say revenging, but like I just bought a lot of accounts in the span of like a couple of weeks just being a dumbass. But like you said, bro, at the end of the day, are you making money?
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, bro, no matter which way you want to slice it, man, you know, I'm up 11K, or excuse me, they paid me out 11K, so I'm up 6K. You know what I'm saying, overall. So I'm like, bro, either way you want to slice it, bro.
Exactly. So, I mean, bro, if you made 1K, that's good. People don't make money.
Come on, man.
So I got this shit all in a spreadsheet of every single dollar I made, bro. Every single dollar.
That's smart. I probably need to do the same thing. I'm not gonna lie to you. Just try to expenses.
I went ahead and I got a whole expense sheet: real estate, day trading, education, investment, property, and miscellaneous. I got it all laid out, and I mean that's just the easiest way to track everything. You can't track it, you can't trace it, or whatever they say. At this point, bro, I'm waiting on this little 30-minute closure. Are you got another few minutes?
Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'm waiting, like I said, for the same candle. It looks like we're both waiting on this 10:30. And then, like I said, if we don't get the closure that we want and the opening that we want from the next one, bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm calling it for the day. I don't mind taking this little loss on these accounts.
Where were you? What did you end up on your accounts today? You said minus like 5.
Yeah. So on the TRADECOPIA account, excuse me, I'm down 700, and then on the live account, I'm down. It's like 269. But again, I was down 1,400 on the TRADECOPIA account, and I was just down 500. So we done already fought over halfway back. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm like, all right.
You only got 2 accounts?
Yeah. Well, so I have the 150K account as well. So on that one, I'm letting Lil Bro trade that one today. He lost to 900. So I just told him, just chill. Don't trade anymore. If anything, I'll probably hop back on it after we're done here. I may hop back on it after we're done here, and then potentially take another trade on that one, see how it goes. But like I said, I'm not tripping, because that 150K account, what is it? It's like still in profit by about 3K. So it's fine.
Okay. Yeah. And then the max you can make on that is 1,800 in a day.
Exactly.
So, like, it's like at that point, nigga, losing 9 is cookies. Like that's
exactly. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not tripping either way it goes.
Like, yeah, that's kind of how I'm looking at these 700s. Like 700 on a 100K account. Wait, all these are 100K accounts. So the most I can make in a day is 1,200. So like, if I really just wanted to max out one day and throw a 2 for 60 or 50, like I could. Like, it ain't no big deal.
Yeah, and I mean, and that's another thing, bro, about when you're down on the day, it's kind of like, all right, being able to keep calm and just identifying what the next setup is going to be, rather than being like, nah, bro, there's no way I lost that trade. I got to hop back in, bro. I got to try to get it back. Like, no, man, just relax. There will be another setup, and if there isn't, man, as long as you ain't down on the consistency, bro, don't trip. Like, it is what it is. You'll get it back. It'll come back.
All right, bro. Look at this 5. We're about to close on the 5 minute too.
Yeah.
I need a good wick though. I'm gonna go say bye to Alexis, and I'm gonna be right back in the next minute, literally. I'll be right back.
For sure.
All right. Just playing this shit out before it hit. So I'm definitely not using this low all the way down here. Even a 15-minute low is down here, which is 68. That's not bad. I prefer a great bottom wick. Knowing me, I just want like 30, 40, bro.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go lessen my risk just because it's been a big day so far. So I'm gonna lessen my risk to a 5 micro over here. I haven't touched these accounts yet down here. I'm done on these, so I'm gonna try to see if I can catch a W on these to make it a cool little day overall. Like I said, I don't mind if I catch a win on some accounts and a loss on some accounts. Let's see what we can do. Okay, come on. Give a bottom. Do we take it on the break of this previous high?
I would do it on the previous high. I'm doing it on the previous high, me personally.
It's already 23, so if it breaks that high. All right, let me do it. Is that enough of a bottom wick though?
That is a great question.
Damn it. I don't know.
If you don't like it, don't take it. I'm about to say, wait for the bottom wick, G. You know how that goes.
Got these resistance, this support right here too. Fuck. What you thinking?
I'll take it, but it'll be a 1 for me, bro. It'll be a 1.
I just want like really test something, bro. This didn't even hit nothing.
Yeah, with no. Hold on, we have. Oh my God! All right, well I'm up 14, but it's only a 9 pip bottom wick. It's a 9 pip bottom wick, bro. So if you didn't take it, I wouldn't be mad at you on it.
Damn it!
I wouldn't be mad at you if you didn't, bro.
I call it a day. Call it a day. Bruh. Yeah. That gave 30 in 5 seconds.
Yep.
Did you take it?
I did, but hold on.
Did you wait 10 seconds?
Wait, whoa, what just happened, bro?
Bruh.
What the fuck? Bro, what just happened, bro?
Man.
That's so gay. Oh no, that's so gay.
Bro, I don't know if that would have been.
I hit the wrong button, bro. So look, I didn't take it on any of the other accounts, so none of the other accounts were affected. But it looks like I went to try to go hit flat and all, and I think I hit the buy button again by accident. But it
so you lost it.
So what is it? I lost. I'm still down. I'm still under 700. Like it brought the total down by like.
Oh, because you made some.
I made like $6 basically instead of making the 300. So that's kind of a sell. But oh well.
Bro.
That's funny.
I don't know if that happened, bro. I don't know if that was 10 seconds. I don't think it was.
Nah, it happened to like, okay, so it was 17. Hold on, it was 17. And then when I hit buy, I was only in for like 2 seconds before that joint pulled back. So
I'm looking right now. It happened at 10. I'm on the 1 second chart. This was not 10 seconds. Hell no, that was not 10 seconds.
That's so
I don't think it was. What was the entry?
My entry was, it looks like
39.
It was 4192.6, and after that we saw immediately 30 fast, right? So I was up about 300, but then instead of clicking the flatten all button, I accidentally clicked buy, so it bought me in again. But it locked in about like $80 basically.
If it was 20 seconds, if it was 10 seconds, it was right around 10 seconds before that shit fell out. Like I think it got you in like right here at like 33 and like it was like 15 seconds, bro. Max.
Yeah.
Max.
Crazy, where
bro.
Crazy, bro.
You know what will be one last thing that I would look at? If a 5-minute candle closed and it still closed above with a wick to fill, I would look at that. But I don't want to force nothing.
Nah, I definitely don't want to do that.
Damn, you said I'm not even mad if you didn't take that.
On me, I'm not mad, bro. That's what I'm saying. I was like, man, nah, let me chill. Let me chill.
You saw 36 though. I'd have been cool with 25, 30. Damn, bro. Since I missed that, I really don't want to. I ain't gonna say revenge it because it's not revenge ain't the word, but it's like,
right.
Like I don't want to fuck it up. It gave what I needed one time. 50 seconds for this 5-minute candle to close. Does it have more to like? Does it have more in this? Let's see how this 5-minute opens after closing above again. If it closes above this.
Hey, for sure.
The real stop is down here because that's a previous 15-minute candle. Up. Let's see how this new 5-minute opens. This isn't a bad closure. Let's see. 7, 6, 5. Is it running into anything on any time frame? Not really. No bottom wick.
Yep, now we need that, bro. Come on. All right, you gonna push up? If we playing this game, G, I'm out. I ain't even gonna lie.
Yeah, because the next move would be entering, and it's not a move. Sorry, what it's gonna do is likely make a bottom wick. Yeah. But I'm just like you said, I'm not playing that game.
I'm like, bro, I promise you, if you break that wick before making a bottom,
did you just throw a 1 on that? Is that why you only saw 350?
Yeah. Sure did.
You said you want to make it $6.
Bro, it was so gay. Like I said, I clicked the wrong button, so yeah, it locked in like $6. That was about it.
We both had some dumbass user errors today.
A little bit, but it is what it is, man. I'm not worried about it.
Well, it's been a fun stream. It's been a great. I mean, we're seeing the fuck out of this market right now. It's kind of crazy. So
yeah.
I would have loved to have made another little 150 right there, but. And then I don't know my 5 micro, but I think that should be the end of my week. Potential Friday, but likely not. I don't know. I'll see what the volume's talking about with the, unless I just want to chill with the fam, but we'll see. Thursday's taking off, obviously, just because it's holiday. And if you see anything else, see a break of the daily high or the daily low, let me know, but don't get caught up in this range.
Yeah, no, I can't even do it.
So if that's my day, it was minus 700 on these accounts. Didn't record a trading day on these accounts. I may or may not take something just to record a day, but at this point, it don't even seem like it matters just because I don't think I'm gonna make it in 10 days. I may or may not. We'll see. I might take a little micro just to do it. All right, bro. I'll holler at you.
All right, dog. I'll talk to you.
Yep. It's easy.
Yep.